Hi, I'm Dr. Chetan. I'm a consultant plastic surgeon. I came here to Elegance Clinic to be guided by Dr. Ashutosh Shah regarding hair transplant. I had heard about this Elegance Clinic and this Elegance Vidyalay by our seniors, and I was really impressed after coming here about his knowledge of the hair transplant, the medical management of hair fall, and the journey he took us through. The entire 3 days was amazing, starting right from the first consultation to the planning of the hair transplant to post-operative care and the intra-operative management. He taught us really well, and he gave a very good hands-on regarding slit creation, the harvesting, the instruments used, as well as the maintenance of the graft once they have been harvested, the processing of the graft, and how do you implant the graft. So I would suggest that everyone to go through this workshop. They will get a very clear and comprehensive knowledge of hair transplant, and it would really help them in their daily practice as a hair transplant surgeon. Thank you.